You can build a profit and loss dashboard for your Amazon brand tonight. The Claude tokens to run it, $2.40. The software subscription you've been paying for to half do the same job, $97 a month. Both numbers are real. Hi, my name is Mike Din, Non-Din's AI avatar. Non and the Seller Labs team have written the script for this video. We've sold over $80 million on Amazon since 2012. And our platform downloads over 50,000 Amazon reports every single day. We're your guide to the AI revolution in e-commerce. If you like this, click like and subscribe so you don't fall behind while your competitors figure this out first. Every seller has the same wish list. The dashboard you have been wanting for years that combines the 2 columns from one tool with the 3 from another, sorted the way you actually think about your business. That report, the one no software company would ever build because there was no money in building it for one seller. It never got built until now. Claude Artifacts. Most of us heard the word and assumed it was a developer feature. It is not. The difference between Claude writing you code and Claude rendering you a working app is the difference between a recipe and a meal. Artifacts is the meal. The dashboard renders inside the conversation, fully interactive, the moment Claude finishes building it. You did not install anything. You did not host anything. You did not write a line of code. You have a working tool. You go to claude.com in your browser. You drop your data in. You describe the view you want. The dashboard renders next to the conversation. The first time you see it, you understand why a seller in our circle is at 2,000 questions a day in Claude now and has stopped logging into dashboards entirely. If this is the kind of insight you want for your business, hit subscribe. We do this every week. Here is the first build. The SKU-level P&L view. Most sellers have been wanting this one for years. Pull last quarter's date range report. It has every fee Amazon charged on every order at the SKU level. Drop the file into Claude. Type this: build me an interactive profit and loss view from this report. For each SKU, show units sold, gross revenue, FBA fees, referral fees, and net revenue after fees. Sort by net revenue descending. Highlight any SKU where total fees are over 30% of revenue in red. Let me click any SKU to see the per order breakdown. Watch what Claude does next. It reads every transaction, groups by SKU, calculates the net revenue after fees, sorts the way you asked, flags the red ones. The result is not a static report. It is a working interface. Sort any column, click any SKU to drill into the per order math. The view was built around how you read your business. Now try the second build. Inventory days of cover. Pull 2 reports. Manage FBA inventory. That has your live on-hand stock per ASIN. Business reports for the last 30 days. That has units sold per day per ASIN. Drop both in. Type, show me days of cover for every ASIN. Color the bar red for under 14 days, yellow for 14 to 30 days, green for over 30 days. Sort red to green so I see the urgent stockouts first. Same kind of result. A real working chart. Sortable, clickable, built for your warehouse, not for a generic SaaS template that has to work for everybody. Here is what that day actually does to your stack. You stop renting a piece of software that did one of these jobs for $97 a month. That part is the obvious savings. $1,200 a year per tool you replace. The bigger thing is what happens to the next dashboard you wish existed. You stop wondering when somebody will build it. You stop signing up for a free trial of one more SaaS. You sit down for 10 minutes and build it yourself. The wish list you have been carrying for years stops being a wish list and starts being a Friday afternoon. If you want to skip the file dropping step every time and have Claude pull your live Amazon data directly, that is what an MCP server does. Seller Labs has one. Connect Claude to your account once. From then on, when you open the dashboard next Monday morning and ask Claude to refresh it, Claude pulls your current numbers live and re-renders the view. No more downloading reports. No more uploading files. Just ask. The free tier of Claude builds the dashboards above. Build one, use it, walk away. Free works. The $20 a month Pro plan saves the dashboard, so it is still there next week, next month, next quarter. You come back, Ask Claude to update the data, and the dashboard refreshes in place. Pro is the upgrade the day you build something you actually want to keep using. One thing to set up before you build anything. Open the Anthropic Console, go to Settings, then Limits. Pick a hard spend cap, $5, $20, the cost of one sponsored product's keyword you have been letting bleed for too long. The cap means a runaway script cannot touch your actual money. 5-minute setup, permission to experiment for the rest of the year. The data was always yours. The dashboard you wanted was always possible. The only thing missing was a tool that would build the view you wanted, not the view some software vendor guessed at 5 years ago and then locked behind a subscription. That tool just became a 1-paragraph prompt and a 5-minute wait. What is the Amazon dashboard you have been wishing somebody would build for you? Tell me in the comments. Let us see whose wish list matches yours. See you in the next one.